Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of April 18, 2021. The month of April is a very strong bullish, as I mentioned 2 weeks ago. Last week, the jobless claim dropped and the retail sales is posting a big gain, and consumer sentiment hit a all-year high. Home sales and the building are still in high demand. As you can see, that technology, biotech, healthcare, and real estate stock are continuing to higher as the help of 10-year Treasury note went down and the drop of the interest rate. Now, let's take a look of the chart of the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, so that we can see where they are heading to. Then later, I'm going to show you the three bio healthcare stocks are on the move right now. So first of all, let's take a look at the volatility index at very low. They are put it to the lowest level, even lower than before pandemic last year. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, you can see that, as I mentioned for you before, when they hit to the sell zone, and then they will drop right there. So they have a big drop last week. That's why they have a lot of technology stock to move higher, and it also pushes up the interest rate down a little bit. So that helped the real estate sector. And now let's take a look on the SP 500. As you can see here, SP 500 is still very bullish for the last, couple of weeks here. They go up very fast. However, we are reached to the level a little bit extended, but overall the trend is still bullish. So we have to be careful. Tie your stop loss, because when they hit to a certain level, they will pull back before they can find a way to put it up again higher. And if you look at the Nasdaq is also very strong after they complete their head and it was a shoulder pattern. So they'll be able to break out all-time high. So again, okay, let's see they'll be able to continue to put it back up. Momentum is still very bullish, but on the way up, they will pull back a little bit before they can put it higher. Okay, so we are at the all-time high, so we have no resistance on the top. So the market will continue as long as everything is still move to the upside. We will stick with the upside. And if you look at the Dow is also pretty strong. Also, as you can see here, they make it all-time high. Okay, so the market still have a little bit room on the ES and YM and the NQ to put it to the upside there before they can correct and then go higher. And the only trouble is the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 they are going nowhere. That's why you see a lot of energy, clean energy, electric vehicle. They all stuck there. They go nowhere. The battery and all kind of lithium, they go nowhere. So until those stocks they be able to wake up before, I think this sector they be able to come back up and be able to break this line here. If they can clear up this downtrend line here, they will find a way to put it up to the upside. Gold is also again momentum, as I mentioned before. So after the breakout downtrend line, they continue to make it high right now. So that's a good sign that the gold is trying to turn around. Okay, the overall trend is still down there, but they have a lot of resistance up here. Let's see how far they can go, so we can let you know. And the crude oil is also trying to find a way up. So if the economy is able to recover strong, the oil is still in demand, and then they still have room to put it to the upside. And if you look at the interim on the Thursday video, I told you that the interim is hit to the resistance, and then they will pull back. And then right now they are at 21. So they're in this level. So if you look at the Bitcoin, it also hit to the resistance level, and right now they are about this level here. So technically, as you can see that, if you are a member of Stock Together, we never buy into the sell zone. We will buy in the pullback, even though the trend is still up. But a lot of people, they don't know. They buy it straight right in the top, and that's why they will pay the high price. And if you look at the sector in right now, the strong sector of the SP 500, you see the technology stock, it still continue to break at all-time high and then continue to pull up to the upside. And You also see that the XLV, which is the healthcare sector, is still doing very well here, and then very strong to the upside. And the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary, is also very strong, as you can see here. They pump up to the upside. So right now, as you can see, that those three sectors here in SP 500, they're doing very well. So I'm going to show you shortly, okay, and pick up some stock in that sector so that we can analyze to see how they are doing. I will continue to update during the week, so make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so I can notify you on the new update. Every day in our premium live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction in the ES Future E-mini SP 500 so that my members can make some extra daily income, and we analyze many stocks so that we can stay on the right side and make a bigger profit potential for swing trade. As you know, that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. That's why as stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action in the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. But you understand that it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so that we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how the price action in real time. This is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive and make money in this volatile market. Now I'm going to show you the three bio healthcare stock on the move, right? So right now, the first one is the PFE. You know, the Pfizer, one of the leading vaccine for the COVID-19. I think right now a lot of order coming in, and then a lot of production come out. I think the money is start getting into their company. So I think the next earning will be a big profit for them. So this stock, after they fire support at the buy zone, now they continue the momentum to the upside. They still have a room to go. And the next one is the BMY. It's also another Bristol-Myers. That's another biohealthcare stock. It's very good. After they stabilize, they hit to the buy zone, they break out, they pull back, support, and now they continue to the upside. And the last one is the mRNA. So this one here, you also know them very well. A lot of people, they get a vaccine from this Moderna company here. So this stock, after the breakout, they found support at the buy zone, and now they break out and continue very strong momentum. So all those three stocks I show you, they break out with a very strong momentum, and the momentum is they still have a lot of room to put to the upside. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please help me to expand my YouTube channel by clicking the thumb up like button, or any suggestion or any subject that you want to talk about. Please let me know on the comment below. And if you are busy working and you don't have time to do your research, you can subscribe to our premium Watchlist watchlist, where I handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. So you can check out on the show more button link below. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week, and take care everyone.